right. I'm going to walk you through how to turn in this project. So, first off, you have this. Let me turn in the right one. Okay, here we go. You've done your computer literacy portfolio. I'm only actually grading 4. The 2 that you must turn in is Carry Toss and your Netiquette video. This is not actually a Netiquette video, it's just a video that I had. To add videos, you need, thank you, Karthik. To add videos, you're going to choose Insert, you're going to choose Video, please. Oh, wait. Getting some cameos there from your dancing friends. So, to embed a video, if you don't remember or not sure, you need to upload. You need to upload your video to Drive. Then you're going to choose Insert. You're going to choose Video. You have one of 2 choices. You could do, if it's shared with you, like you have a group project, you choose Share with Me and your video should be there. Hang on. Or if you did a YouTube video, you can embed it there. So I pick my video, I hit Select. Once I hit Select, you're in the background of my video. What? Oh, background of my video. Okay. Apparently everybody in this class is in the video. Once you hit Select, it'll put the video in. You need to pick 2 more of your choice and tell me why. When you're ready to turn it in, you go File. You're going to choose Publish to the Web. You're going to choose Embed and hit Publish. Mine's already published. Copy this link. It should start with iframe. Once you copy it, get out of here, and you can go to your portfolio. Here's my portfolio. You'll edit this page. Choose HTML. Pedro, get out of my video. Sorry. And you're going to paste it here. Save page, and it'll end up, if you did it right, it'll show you this. Please make sure your link says Computer Literacy Portfolio. Have some nice background music. Refresh, and that's how you turn it in. You enjoyed the cameos and the background music. Take this link, turn it in. Have a good day.